Hey everyone, this is Mole Merchant. Now today I have a really great application here to show you guys. It lets you make money just by copy and pasting. And it's very simple, very easy to do. It takes like 30 seconds to do the tasks that they give you, and you can earn money over and over and over because it's just so simple and so quick to do. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos trying to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mole Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the website / app, whatever I want to show you guys today, is called Part-Time Clicks, and you can access this on your PC, but it also works on your mobile device and also on your tablet. Now, it's very easy to do, so first of all, you just have to make an account, and you have to verify it with your email and your phone number, and once you do that, then you're going to be brought onto this page. Well, this is the questions page, actually, so we're going to go through this afterwards, but first, let me show you an example of how to complete a task that they give you. So you're going to be going to this link right here where it has the instructions on it, and when you go to this link, it's going to bring you into a task if there's one available. And you can see right here it says complete the task below. It's worth 25 cents, and the task will expire 19 hours from now. So you can see the instructions are listed right here, and it looks very simple. So look at that right there. It says for the first step to go to Google and search for truck accident lawyer Los Angeles. So it's very easy to do this. All you have to do is exactly as it says. And it's going to bring us onto the search page. And now it says right here in the local Google Maps ABC results, click on the legal defenders, the law offices of Berg and Brock listing with the phone number of that 818938. So let's go into Maps, as it said, and let's look for that company that they want us to review. Okay, so now I have found them. It's actually called Legal Defenders in this case, but you can see the phone numbers here, they match up. So now we have to click on the website button and then review the page for at least 30 seconds, and after that we have to write a one-page or one-sentence review. So let's click on the website here, and now it's bringing us over to their website. And you can see here they are saying they have over $350 million recovered for their clients, 99% success rate, and 350 million won, and you can call them for a free consultation. So yeah, you can see right there it says the law offices of Berg and Brock, and you can just see all of their stats here. You just have to be on this page like it said for approximately 30 seconds, and we're just going to write a quick review about this company. So now let's go back onto Part-Time Clicks, and it says here write a one-sentence summary below. So we'll just say this website is about a law firm by Berg and Brock. They have won 99% of their cases and over $350 million. There's our one-sentence summary, and now it says for step 4 in the Get Started Now section, click the link our contact page and copy and paste the URL from the browser. So let's look for that section that they said, and let me just remind myself, Get Started Now. So let's look for Get Started Now. Okay, so you can see right here it says Get Started Now, and we just have to get in touch with them online through their contact page, and there's the link right there. So you can see it might take a little bit of searching. You have to look for the headings, but it's pretty visible, and once you find it, it's very easy to get to the next step. So now what they want us to do here is to copy and paste the URL from the browser. So let's copy this URL here, and let's go back into Part-Time Clicks, and now let's just paste it in and submit the task. One sec, it's logged me out. Let me log back in. So we're back in here. It's gonna make me do this summary again. Let me just paste the link for now. Alright, now let's submit the task. And you can see here it says the task was successfully submitted, and they can send you a text when the next task is ready, or if you also want to earn more by posting reviews. And we'll go into this more in the frequently asked questions page. So now what we do here, after that, you can just see you have to wait for the next task. But for now, let me just go through some of the things like how they pay you, how often they pay you, and that sort of stuff. So let's just go through what is Part-Time Clicks. You can see here it says Part-Time Clicks is a website that distributes tasks that you can do from your mobile phone device or even your home PC, which is what I'm doing right now. And the majority of the tasks consist of searching and clicking on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and providing proof that you completed the task. And they usually take less than 60 seconds and pay between 20 and 40 cents. And there's other tasks that include posting reviews and other random tasks as needed. And they pay $1 to $2 each, but are far less frequent. And you can see here, most people earn $5 to $15 per month, and they make payments every Friday. Now, for signing up, you can just see there is the sign up link here. I'm going to also post that in the description below so that you guys can sign up for yourself as well. And there's some more things. If there's no work right now, that's probably because they've met their quotas for that month. So you can see right now I'm out of tasks, but they should refresh them periodically. And also they will email you a reminder if there is a task that comes up. Just remember, you can only have one account. Your spouse and family member can sign up, but they have to be at a different location. They only allow one sign up per household. Let's see. If you get error messages, if there's no work available, like I said, is because they've met their quotas. That's what you guys just saw in my account just now after I completed that task that I did. Make sure you don't have a VPN because it may not work. They also have text alerts. So if you want to get texted when a new task is available, then you can sign up for those text alerts. And it's just a very quick way to make sure you don't miss out on any new tasks that they might have added, because I think they have a certain limit on the number of people that they can have per task. So if you don't do it quick enough, then it might disappear even before the timer runs out for that. And let's go down to the pay section. So you can see here the frequency. They make payments once per week, usually on Fridays before 5 p.m. Eastern. So there's also no minimum payouts. So no matter what you do, you're going to get paid. And the payment reflects all work completed through the prior Sunday. So that means that even though I just did this 25-cent one, I'll still get the 25 cents paid into my account. And it says here how much can you make. The exact amount varies based on the work they have and also the number of people who are actively working. So you can see, as it says, when there's more people on the website, then there's going to be less tasks available for you. So you want to make sure that you're one of the first ones to complete the task, because that'll mean that you can get the most tasks possible. And you can see here, you can see how much you've earned since the last pay period on your account dashboard. And individual tasks depends on the amount of time it takes. So it ranges from 20 cents to more. And you can also change your PayPal address. And I didn't mention this before, but they do pay you directly into your PayPal account. So this money will go into your PayPal, and you can then transfer it into your bank, or you can use it online or whatever like that. Now they also have referrals, and it's actually pretty decent because they pay you $1 for each person that you refer and who completes 5 tasks. So if you refer 10 people and they all complete 5 tasks at some point, then you get an easy $10 just by referring them. And the way to do it is to share and promote a link, as many other apps and websites will have you do. And it also will track how many people have signed up using that link. Now, they may not have links at certain points because they might have the referrals on hold, and that means that they don't need that many people right now, but they might open it back up in the future. And now you can see there's some ways that they're suggesting to promote your referral link. So you can share it on Facebook or Twitter. You could even share it on YouTube. You can email your link. You can text your link. You can share it on forums or online work the home groups that you belong to. Now, the one thing to keep in mind, though, is that the tasks are for US residents only. So unfortunately, if you don't live in the United States, then this will not work for you. I will try to get a website that does work worldwide for everybody, so that no one's missing out here on the money making. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Sadly, this one is very limited because only for US, but I'm definitely going to be looking for ones that work everywhere. Now they also have review tasks, and you can see here these pay significantly more than the copy and paste tasks. So as it says here, they pay $2 each, and they provide you with a written review and instructions on where to post it. And you can become eligible to post reviews by toggling the switch to green on the account page. And you can also just toggle it back off if you don't feel like doing that. And it says here that if you haven't gotten any review tasks, they're distributed randomly, and the more tasks you do, the better your chance of receiving a review task, because these pay more, so they want people that they can trust, and ones that have done other tasks in the past, so make sure you do as many tasks as possible, so that you're more likely to get these review tasks, which will give you significantly more money. And it's also just as easy to do as the copy and paste tasks, because you technically are just copy and pasting here, since they give you the review yourself, or themselves, and you just have to post it for them. Now they also have some video tutorials here, so you can, if you get lost and you need to like figure out how to sign up or do a task beyond what I showed you here, then you can just watch any one of these videos and they're going to help you out. And if the question isn't covered there, then you can email right here and they will respond to you after at least 24 hours. And then if you can't complete a task for some reason, you can once again let them know. And just one more thing that's kind of annoying, and you saw that earlier in my video where I was logged out while I was trying to complete the task, it's that they always kick you out and you have to log back in because they expire the cookies on their site after only a few minutes as of April 2020, so last month. So if you're getting kicked out, then just don't worry, you just have to log back in. It doesn't take long, it's just a little bit more of an extra step you have to do, but this website is so easy already that it barely adds any time at all. So anyway, yeah, that's basically it for this website, guys. It's super easy to use. One of the best ones to use because it's just, you just copy and paste links all the time, and you could get 20 cents just for doing that, which takes 30 seconds max. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.